Introducing Centerline by Hobart. Experience quality, reliability, speed, and simplicity at an affordable price. The Centerline Undercounter was designed for you. Save labor. With the push of a button, a rack of soiled dishes is cleaned and sanitized in only 2 minutes. Drying is achieved quickly, and your team is free to focus on other tasks. Experience greater control with consistent wash and rinse temperatures and chemical dosing precision and speed. Sanitation control not possible with a 3-compartment sink. Gain operating efficiency at an affordable price using less energy and water per rack when compared to competitive models. The simple and reliable solution that your growing business needs. The Centerline Undercounter by Hobart. Quality equipment that supports your high standards at a price that meets your budget.